Shoppers don't want to read long parts lists on a product page. They scan the diagram and click the exact part they need to buy. Parts Diagram for Shopify turns any product image into a grid of clickable hotspots with an inline variant picker and shopping cart built right in. Your customer clicks a part on the diagram, the variant picker opens, they add the parts straight to cart without ever leaving the product page. In the Shopify admin, you drag any image in, draw Pinpoint or a polygon hotspots, link each one to a real Shopify product or specific variant. You get live pricing, automatic sales strikethrough, hotspot click analytics, and 3 storefront layouts to match every theme on your shop. It is built for automotive parts, bicycles, electronics, furniture, industrial equipment, and any product with subcomponents your customers want to buy or replace. Install Parts Diagram free today on the Shopify App Store at apps.shopify.com/partsdiagram. No credit card needed.